Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay. Just kind of come across like this. We try to go across so we get a different view. I also just want to share you all these little alleys. So there's little alleys off of everywhere here. So there's a little patio de Mercado. So we're gonna walk towards it. That is a beautiful building. Okay, this is called Rua dos Mercadores, which is the street of the merchants. So we're going to, and they're also painting this this sidewalk right here, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna walk all the way down that way, going towards Senado Square, more or less. Before we do, we'll give you a little context of where we are. We're on Stelligins. So this goes up to Senado Square, and it goes, Senado Square is that way, Sao Paulo Ruins is that way. So this is a little intersection right on this side. Over here is Street of the Herbalists, Invernarios. So you'll see this one is for traffic. They can go this way, and then that way, down that way is a little pedestrian street called Invernarios. And then over here is the Stelligins. Way down at the end you can see the Pont 16, which is where the port is at. So it's all the way down that direction. But we're going to be going down this way, which is Rua dos Mercadores. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So there's Rua dos Mercadores. So we're going to be walking directly down that street. So we'll say bye to Pont 16 down that way, the port, Herbalist Street, that little pedestrian street. This one goes all the way to Camões and Santo Antonio as well. And we are going to try to go through. It's a small shrine right there. So we are going to move down this way. And we have this nice little crosswalk, so they're painting that. And it looks like we can go. Oh, how are they going to do that? So there's a bus coming right here. So this bus will encounter that right there. And then what do they paint over it after the bus goes by? Let's take a look. Oh, this way. Okay. So we got lots of traffic coming in here. So we're going to be moving past this traffic. And I think I'll just keep going on this side. So, okay. I need to see. We'll just move along here a little bit. I'm gonna come over here. It's a parking garage over here. I'll show you real quick. And then we are going to got some churrasco. Gonna try to navigate this small space. There's all these little alleys, so I'm just gonna highlight what's around here. So there's a little travessa right here, like a little lane. And then these other ones, they go up into Senado Square area. This kind of opens up a little bit here. See if we can. So we got a little bit more space. Some nice black and white tile designs. And there's actually, this goes up into this really nice pedestrian street right up in that direction. We got some beautiful architecture in this space too. So I'm gonna try to go across. like that. I'm gonna navigate. So these are some more of these little alleys. And then this is a pedestrian street if you go straight all the way up. You got lots of nice vendors and things like that here. So yeah, that goes right up into a nice I will just show you. So Mercadores was originally merchants, street of sellers, but this comes right up into this I think it's called Rua de São Paulo and Rua de Palha. St. Paul Street and Palha Street is straw. So you can see all the people and tourists up in this space. So you also got some beautiful architecture here. St. Paul. So you can see it says Rua de São Paulo up there. And then this actually goes all the way up to São Paulo Ruins, which is all the way up there. So that's a pretty major tourist street. And we're gonna walk back down to Mercadores. But that kind of gives you a little context. So yeah, it's kind of a nice little space. So we're gonna walk back down into Mercadores. You also have a little street restaurant right there as well. And we're gonna end up back where they're painting the street again. But you can definitely see the density of this space nonetheless. But they almost got it finished as well. Okay, so we're gonna navigate through this. There we go. Okay, so we were just a minute ago in this location. Hi. Yeah. So now we're back on Mercadores Street. And we're gonna navigate the crowds a little bit. Then we're gonna come back onto the sidewalk. Got the black and white tiles. Some beautiful architecture. Got the currency exchange for tourists. Those are the rates. USD is about 8 MOP to the dollar. Grand Lisboa Casino is over that way. And that's our target street, Mercadores. And you also have all these cool little alleys everywhere too. Nice architecture. Kind of come across like this. Then you also have that nice, beautiful buildings everywhere. Okay, so let's go down. And then you can also see this, that green building is a Central Hotel, so we're going to check that out in a moment. So they just restored that, so that's to the left. We try to go across so we can get a different view. I also just want to show you all these little alleys. So there's little alleys off of everywhere here. So there's a little patio di Mercado. The patios are really quiet, peaceful. Okay. So we are going to continue towards Central Street. Towards Central Hotel. Another little balcony or patio or banco. All kinds of cool stuff here. Another little alley, side street, all the way down. Now we're gonna be able to capture that green building, so let's go over like that. Now you can see the Central Hotel, that green building right there. Right there. So it looks pretty cool. Give you a little context of where we came from here. Okay. So yeah, that building is just recently restored, so you can see the paint and also just the way they have all the balconies that wrap around like that as well. So we're gonna walk towards it. That is a beautiful building. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's give it a little context. That down the other Soulbrigada Square down that way. So you get all the black and white tiles as well. So you can see this centerpiece there. So we're gonna go all the way down. Let's just move all the way down, I guess. So that's a Central Hotel. And then this street up here is gonna go to one of the main streets. So that'll go all the way down like that. Avenida Ribera. Let me just put the camera. Okay. So our target street is Mercadores right there. We're gonna come out to this spot. And then this goes out to Soulbrigada Square. If you walk all the way down, you'll see Soulbrigada Square. It's a pretty cool architecture all the way around here though. And that's a target street, Mercadores. just real quick, I'm just gonna add this. This won't take longer than an extra minute. But they're restoring the hotel. Hotel Central 1928. So that would be ready in the near future. And then this little tiled, black and white tiled street. There's some merchants over here. It says Mercado, St. Dominic's Mercado. So it goes all the way down. And we're just gonna go to Seattle Square, and then we'll give our conclusion for that street, just so you can see the context of Mercadores. And this particular street right here is a nice covered street. There's Mercadores Lane, and then it's going to open up into Seattle Square. So we're going to take you right there, and then that'll give you some full context of Mercadores Street. And now we're in Seattle Square right here. Then you have the Chinese New Year thing. People taking photos. So that's the end of the video. So, and then Mercadores was right down that way. So right behind these buildings, and then that space down that way. So okay, so that was Mercadores, and now we're right in Seattle Square. Just so it's just kind of a street parallel with this area. So let's end our video. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.